Start by clicking Sign Up on the homepage. Choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs. Fill out your name, email address, and create a username and password to register your account. Get started to begin account opening. Select Account Details. Choose your citizenship. Select your preferred account type. Choose your account features, for example, enable options trading, access to futures accounts, opt in to FPSL if you prefer. Enter personal information. Add your phone number. Fill out your personal information. Complete your investment profile. Funding. Set up funding now or skip for later. Review and submit. Review your details, agree to terms, and submit your application. Tradier, the home of active traders.